Well, hello walls. I wanted to make this video for you because I know you guys did your YouTube channel for hashtag these four walls, and I wanted to say thank you for letting me watch your kids during this quarantine time and this crazy time in the world right now. It has been so much fun, and I love your kids like they're my own. And today is the day that we were supposed to set up the tent in the backyard for Boy Scouts, and no, we're not doing that. I'm not doing that, but Dawn's doing it later. But I just wanted to say we're gonna have a lot of fun today, and I can't wait to go on our walk. We're about to go in a little bit, and I just wanted to take you guys along with us today, and I hope you don't mind this, because I thought, you know what, might as well enjoy the time that you don't get to see when you're at work. So yeah, that's what's happening today. I hope you guys have fun watching this, and yeah, let's continue.
Hey Jack.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Nothing.
Yes, we are. We're gonna go on a wilderness hike through the neighborhood, and then we're gonna come home, have a little bit of lunch, and get ready for the rest of the day.
I'll dump this on the camera.
No! Jack, what did we find? Some rocks? All different kinds of rocks? These are fun rocks to paint, but we gotta get our own. We can't take other people's rocks.
I know.
Let's continue on.
These look like metal inside of this one.
Oh, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Is it shiny? It is very shiny.
That's probably some iron in there. Daddy.
Maybe.
Hand.
What'd you find, Jack? You found a dandelion? It's almost full, too.
Dandelion and
A fire hydrant. Yep. The dandelion, these little things right here, the little white parts, are the seeds. So when they get blown away, Ellie, come back, please. When they get blown away, that's how more of them start to grow. Yeah, it is a fire hydrant. You're right. Ellie. Go ahead, Jack. Now all those seeds are going to go somewhere else in the ground and make more dandelions. Is that cool? Did you get one in your mouth? They don't taste good. What'd you find, Jack? It's a beautiful flower. Be very gentle. What colors are on that flower, Jack?
red and white.
Very pretty.
And all the other ones are ruined just because Ellie, what she did was she pulled all the petals off.
But the petals are pretty. She didn't know.
She gave all of them to Mom. Mom threw them away.
It's okay. It happens.
And sometime, guess what? I really want to play up in the tree with you.
Okay, we can do that.
Because there's like a tent over there you can hang up on the tree, and then you can just spin me in circles. I don't care. But don't do it with Ellie in because she gets afraid and wants to come out.
Right. We're going to go see some more animals, okay, Ellie? You ready to go see some more animals?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, come on, let's go. Come on, Ellie.
I see more animals.
Tell us what you just found, Jack.
No.
What'd you see?
Animals. A lizard that was black.
A black lizard?
He went in there.
He went in there?
Yeah.
Man, we missed him. That's okay.
He was black though.
He was?
Yeah.
What's that, Ellie? Is that a bunny? Hop, hop, bunny, bunny. What? The plant?
Yeah, look how big it is.
It is a big plant, you're right.
Hey everybody, hashtag these four walls coming to you. Getting ready to go upstairs, check out what the kids are doing. I think they're having a camp out in the house. Let's find out.
You want the pink one? There you go. You're not going to sleep in here though, because you'll never go to sleep. Looking at you.
You don't think she'll sleep in there?
They have not been together.
Got your Star Wars, sleeping bag?
Hey,
You think you'll sleep in there, Ellie?
you want to sleep in here?
No, Daddy, this.
Daddy wants
You want Daddy sleep in there too?
There's a baby.
Jackson, you gonna camp tonight? In the house?
Playroom?
Fortnite? Fortnite giving my kids back?
Hey!
Yeah.
Pay attention to us.
Yeah, Fortnite better give me my kids back. Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys!
The reverb.
Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys!
Jackson doesn't want to sleep in his real room. Got it all fixed up. Legos, Pokemon. Look at that. Train station in Chicago.
That's a blue one.
Here's one pillow.
And the Ninja Turtles are eating Pikachu's ears. There's Mama.
Give him pillows.
That thing is huge. Takes up the whole entire playroom. Yay! Say hashtag these four walls. Like and subscribe. That's right.